Hi everyone, today is Friday, April 10th, and we're going to get started on our math review. While you go ahead and grab your materials to get started, I want to remind you that we're working on Seesaw this week. So remember, you're going to go on Seesaw and you're going to post yourself counting by twos and counting by fives. I've heard from a few of the different teachers that it's really tricky when you get past 100. So remember, when you're counting by twos and when you're counting by fives, when you're counting by anything, the pattern just keeps continuing. So we're going to say 98, 100, 102, 104, 106, 108, 110, and it just keeps repeating. Same thing with the fives. After 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. So just keep practicing and we'll keep working on it together too. All right, number one, count backwards. 45, 44, 43. So on your paper, I want you to write the next three numbers when you're counting backwards. Listen again. 45, 44, 43. Show me the next three numbers that you would write when you're counting backwards. Remember, if you're getting stuck, just go back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and count backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, so let's take a look. You should have 42, 41, 40. Listen to the whole number line. 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40. We're counting backwards. Number two, I drew you this picture, so look at this picture. There are 2 tickets in each envelope. How many tickets? So really take a look closely at my picture and see how many tickets are there. I drew the envelopes and there's 2 tickets in each envelope. If you're trying to draw the picture, just draw the boxes. Don't make it look like envelopes like me. And you're going to draw 13 of them. If it helps you can draw the picture of the boxes. There's 13. And there's 2 tickets inside each. So there's a couple of different ways to figure out the answer to this problem. You could count by twos because there's 2 tickets in each envelope. Or if that's really tricky for you, you could make 2 dots and count those dots. Let's show counting by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 22, 24, 26. If I count by 2 13 times, I'm at 26. Again, I could draw those 2 dots and count them, and I would get to 26. Number 3, fill in the missing numbers. Listen to the numbers, and I'm going to have you write the next 3 numbers. 54, 56, 58. Write the next 3 numbers for that pattern. 54, 56, 58. So I want you to think about how am I counting if I'm saying 54, 56, 58. I'm counting by twos, I hear that. 4, 6, 8. So I'm going to write 60, 62, 64. Remember, when we're counting by twos, you're going to keep hearing 2, 4, 6, 8, and then a number that ends in 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, and then another number that ends in 0. 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4. Keep counting by twos. Number 4. Circle the number that is less than 16. So you don't need to circle it. I'll circle it. You write down which number is less than 16. 17, 19, 14, or 16. Which one is less than 16? Your choices are 17, 19, 14, or 16. Which number is less? So you have to think right now, what does less mean? Less means smaller. You don't have as many. It's less. So 17 is not less. 19 is not less. 14 is less. And 16 is the same. That's equal. You should have wrote 14 on your paper. 14 is less than 16. Number 5, take a look at this picture. Circle the second duck, cross off the third duck. So I want you to just draw 5 circles on your paper. This is the first. Go ahead and find the second and circle it, and the third, and cross it off. My ducks are walking this way, so this duck is first, and these ducks are following them. You should have your circles. This is your first circle. Where's the second circle? After first is second. So here's the second one. First, second. After second is third. Here's the third one. And cross it off. So it depends on which way you're facing. If this is the line of ducks, you have to look and see which way they're facing to figure out which one's first so that you know where second and third are. Number 6, take a look at these numbers. Which number is not like the others? 29, 92, 24. I want you to write the number that's different. Which number is not like the others? 29, 92, and 24. Think about how they're the same so you can figure out which ones are different. You're right, 92 is the one that's different because 92 starts with 9 tens and 29 and 24 start with 2 tens. So 92 is the number that is different. Remember guys, get that work done on Seesaw and keep up the good practice with me on the math review. See you on Monday. Bye.